So let me show you how to set up Google Assistant on your OnePlus Nord CE6. So simply go into settings and then scroll down and find Google. Tap on Google, and then under Google you want to select the All Services tab, and then scroll through and find Search Assistant and Voice. Tap on that, and then you need to tap on Google Assistant. So tap on Google Assistant, and one of the things you need to do first is select Voice Match to teach your assistant to recognize your voice. So simply tap on Voice Match, and then you want to toggle on Hey Google. So toggle that on, and it's going to take you through a series of steps. So it's going to ask you whether you want to go hands-free with Hey Google. So tap on Turn On, and then read through all these things that it's going to recommend to you, and then select I agree, and then say what it's going to ask you. So, okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And once it does that, it's going to tell you that you're ready. So simply tap on done, and Hey Google is now going to be activated on your phone, as you can see. So you can retrain your voice or delete that voice match model to do it again. But you want to go back one step or two steps and select Gemini, because once you launch Google Assistant, it's going to launch Gemini. So you can change all these settings regarding Gemini. And once you do that, you can also go back and do one more thing. So simply go all the way back and select Accessibility and Convenience under Settings. And then here you want to scroll down and find Power button. And then here you want to select Press and Hold Power button and ensure it's set to Digital Assistant. And then here you want to tap on it, and then you want to ensure Google is selected, so that now if you go back all the way to the home screen, you can either long press the side button to launch Google, or you can simply use the buzzword, Hey Google, is it going to rain today? But that's basically how to set up Google, the Google Assistant, on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comments and questions down below. Take care and God bless.